ladies and gentlemen, what's up? How are you all doing? Thank you so much for joining me on yet another video. My name is Anoko of Andy Brand, and we create content around wardrobe makeovers, personal shopping, styling, and generally things to do with fashion and style. And most importantly, we help you achieve the most with what you have on your closet. In today's video, I'm gonna just share with you what is in my everyday bag. I carry this bag every day. It's what we call fanny pack bag. Some call it waist bag, some call it bum bag. It has a lot of name. I don't know what to call it, but I like calling it fanny pack bag. This bag is what I've been carrying lately. I carry it every single day. I don't have a handbag per se, the normal kawaida handbag that ladies carry around. So I like walking and traveling very light. So I use this bag a lot of time, and I just want to show you what is in it, because I mean, it's look really small, so you might think, does it carry really, much, or does it carry what you need to carry? But you'll be shocked what's in this bag, because it carry only essential things that I need to use, things that I use on a daily basis. So I'll just show you what the bag look like. It has very nice details. I like the black and white tribe print on it. Then it has a very colorful zipper here, which are 3. The 2 first zips are decoration. They don't open, they don't work. This first one is the one that opens and work. So I will just show you what I carry here every single day. I will start off by my phone, of course, is always in here, so I carry my phone with me. The second thing that I carry in this bag is a pocket tissue, which is very necessary. I use it oftenly, so I carry this in this small bag. The other thing, of course, that we now carry more often is a hand sanitizer. This small bottle has carried me for several months. It's almost over, but I carry it around everywhere I go. So sanitizer has to be there always. I carry handkerchief. In this bag, I like carrying my handkerchief, that in case I need to use it, I carry handkerchief. The other thing that is in this bag is, of course, this little bag here. This bag carries my charger, my earphones. So there's this head, then there's a cable, of course, then there's a earphone. So I like putting them in this bag because they get really tangled and everything if I don't put them in this small bag. The other thing, which is obvious, is my sunglasses, which I always carry in this bag. You've seen my sunglass collection, so this is always on this bag. You never know when I'll need it, or when the sun will be hot and I need to wear it. So this is always in this bag. The other thing that I carry is, of course, a pen. I like to always have a pen with me, and a little notepad, just in case I need to write something. I have a little notepad here. Then then I have a lotion here, hand lotion, which I always carry on this bag. There's a lip gloss. This one is almost over. I have used it several times. It has served me really well. Then I have a lip balm here, so I always carry these 2 just in case I need to use them. I always carry them around. Then of course, an extra mask. I always like, you can be sure I'll forget my mask where I go and remove my mask. So if I remove my mask, I always normally forget it. So I make sure I carry an extra mask in this bag just in case I've lost the one I had on. So I carry an extra mask. Then, of course, I work with my office always, the tape measure, in case I need to take measurements of someone, in case I need to do something with it. It's always in this bag. The other thing I carry in this bag is, of course, this bag doesn't fit my wallet. My wallet is somewhere So this is my wallet. My wallet is actually the size of this bag. So it can fit in this bag, but it takes a lot of space. So I normally don't carry it. I just remove what I need to remove here. If it's money, if it's, you know, my card, my ID, I remove them and put them in this bag. In case I need to use them, then I leave my wallet at home. So this bag has a little compartment here, which I use to put money. I used to put my cards here and, you know, stuff like that. So that's where I keep my money and my card. Then something else that's always here is a chewing gum. This is called Mambo banana flavor bubble gum. So chewing gum is always here. Some sweets are always here. So just in case I need to, you know, do the sweets, then there's a small perfume here, which I always, you know, carry just in case I need to use it. So basically, that's all that's in this bag. This little bag carries so much. It carries a lot. And I like carrying it because I can carry it, you know, on my waist, across my body. It's really very essential and very portable, light, and I don't have to always, you know, adjust my handbag. No, basically that's all I carry every day. Very essential things that I really need to use. I don't carry so much, and I travel really light and very, very easy. I use also this bag when I'm traveling. You know, the way sometimes you have a backpack or a suitcase and you are traveling and you always go back to that handbag, I don't know, that suitcase to pick something, an earphone, a charger, I don't know, some money. I don't do that. I carry every single little thing that I need, you know, on my journey on this bag. Then I just tie it on my waist, so I don't have to always go back to that suitcase or backpack, you know, to pick something. This is, you know, lifesaver. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll catch you on my next video. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you. Bye.